Holy cow. I just got done doing my first T25 workout. And I don't care if you're getting dizzy, I'm walking around because I cannot stop right now. 25 minutes. I did have to stop and get some water, like probably 3 times. But I got water and I went right back to it. And thank God there is a cool down afterwards. I was wondering about that. It's not part of the 25 minutes. It's about 2 minutes worth of a cool down that comes on right after the workout. I'm so out of breath, it's not even funny. Now, I mean, I'm a TurboFire junkie. I love TurboFire, and that's all cardio. There's a little bit of strength and some stretching. But I mean, this is like body weight movements. It is full speed. And there's a great modifier that I did have to use several times where it's low impact. So if you have problems with knees or ankles, there's a great modifier. But tomorrow I'm going to show you, hopefully, a video. And again, this is just my first day, so it's not going to be perfect. But I mean, you can see the sweat. This is literally 25 minutes. And I was dripping with sweat. And I have 2 fans on. So, whew, yeah. Get T25. It is so worth the time.